Hello everyone, I'm Samiksha Chaudhary, working as a functional consultant at BISP Solutions. This video is based on ticket resolving. So today we are going to view one use case or ticket which I have gone through when I was working on a project. So let us start with our first case. So in this ticket, the issue is reconciliation is missing for some profiles. We have to find out the list of profiles for which reconciliation is missing. Now we are going to ARCS interface to solve this issue. This is our ARCS application. For checking the missing reconciliation of profiles, you have two options. The first is you can generate the report of missing reconciliation, or you can also see the list of profiles for which reconciliation missing from periods. So first, I'm telling you the first process of generating report. For generating report of missing reconciliation, go to this report card. Here you can see the list of predefined report, pre-configured or predefined report available in this ARCS application. This is the list of already configured report. So in this report, you can see there is one report on missing reconciliation. Just select this report, select the output format for this report. I have selected this PDF format, then click on generate. Here you can select the period for which period you want to see the reconciliation, missing reconciliation. I am selecting this December period. After selecting period, click on generate. Now you can see our report is generated. Go to the download folder. Now you have to extract this file. So this is the report of missing reconciliation. These are the list of profiles for which reconciliation is missing for December period. The second way of checking this missing reconciliation is go to the application. Go to application card, then period. For example, you want to check the missing reconciliation for December period. Select the December period, click on action, then check for missing reconciliation. Now you get the list of the profiles for which reconciliation is missing for December period. You can also export this to Excel file. Now you can see this is downloaded. This is the list of profiles for which reconciliation is missing for December period. So in this way, you can generate the list of profiles for which reconciliation is missing. Thank you.